we have left in the previous video. Soon the other boys would come tripping along and they would make fun of him for having to work. The very thought of it burnt him like fire. Now, as the boys were coming and they were making fun of him because everybody was playing and he was whitewashing the fence, so the thought that the boys will come and they will make fun burnt him like fire. He took out his worldly wealth and examined it, bits of toys, marbles, and trash. He took out his worldly wealth means sansarik worldly sansar wali. Worldly wealth. Wealth is richness. So what a boy was having to feel he was rich. He was having some toys, some marbles. Marbles is kanche and trash. Some garbage in the pocket. It was not enough to buy half an hour of pure freedom. At this dark and hopeless moment, an inspiration burst upon him. Now he was thinking, if I will trade my toys and all the things with some boy, with somebody else, and he will paint the fence for me, and I will be free for half an hour, but this was not possible. When he was thinking all these things, suddenly he thought of something. An inspiration came. He thought something, some brilliant idea came to his mind. He took up his brush and started working enthusiastically. Enthusiastically means with full energy and interest. He saw Ben Rogers coming. Now, this is another boy, Ben Rogers. He was eating an apple. He seemed to impersonate a steamboat as he walked, but Tom paid no attention and kept whitewashing. The meaning of this line is that Ben Rogers was coming, he was impersonating a steamboat. Impersonating means he was acting like a steamboat. Here, the writer wants to say that Ben Rogers, when he was coming towards Tom Sawyer, वह इतना शोर मचाते हुए आ रहा था जैसे एक स्टीम बोट में से शोर निकलता है. But still Tom did not pay attention to him. Ben ranged up alongside of. Okay, Ben stared a moment and then said, Hi, Tom, you are working? No answer. Tom surveyed his last touch with the eye of an artist, then he gave his brush another gentle sweep and surveyed the result, as before. Ben ranged up alongside of him. Tom's mouth watered for the apple, but he stuck to his work. Ben said, Hello, old chap. You got to work, hey? So now Tom was pretending. Tom दिखावा कर रहा था like this work of painting the fence is very interesting, so that he could take the apple of Ben Rogers and Ben can paint the fence. Ben came near. Ben came closer to Tom. Ben ranged. Ranged means he came closer. He came up to Tom and he asked Tom, Hey Tom, you are working today? Tom wheeled suddenly and said, Why, it's you, Ben. I didn't notice. So this was a complete lie. Tom ने झूठ बोला that I did not notice you. I was so busy in my interesting work. Tom wheeled suddenly. Wheeled means Tom अचानक से घूम गया और Ben को देखा and said, I did not notice you. Say I'm going in a swimming. I am. Don't you wish you would? But of course you would rather work, wouldn't you? Course you would. So now Ben is questioning and answering himself that Tom, I'm going for a swimming. And I'm thinking you will also go. Oh no, but why you will go? You are doing your work. Tom contemplated the boy a bit and said, What do you call work? Ben answered, Why, ain't that work? Contemplated means like when Ben said that you are doing your work today, Tom, and you cannot come for a swimming with me. Tom said, Which work? Contemplation means when you are in a deep thought. आप गहरा सोचते हैं. Tom was thinking deep and said to Ben, Which work I'm doing? I'm doing no work. This is not work, Ben. Tom resumed his whitewashing and answered carelessly, like he does not care. He said, "No, no, this is not work for me." "Well, maybe it is, and maybe it ain't. All I know is it suits Tom Sawyer." So, in attitude, he said that this work suits me. "Oh, come on now. You don't mean to say that you like it?" The brush continued to move. Ben Rogers said, "It means whatever you are saying. It means you like painting the fence." But this Tom did not answer, and he continued to brush with a lot of interest. "Like it? Well, I don't see why I ought not to like it. Does a boy get a chance to whitewash a fence every day?" That put the thing in a new light. Now, as Ben was eating his apple, and he heard that Tom said that every day we get to paint a fence, हमें हर रोज पेंटिंग करने को मिलता है. This put a new light on the thing. Ben stopped nibbling his apple. Nibble means eating small bites. He stopped it. Tom swept his brush daintily back and forth. Daintily means very carefully. Aage piche, back and forth, he was moving his brush and painting the fence with a lot of interest. Stepped back to note the effect, added a touch here and there. Ben watched intently. Now, whatever actions Tom was doing, like he was painting, then he went back a little bit, he saw, and then he brushed here and there a little bit, like he's doing it with a very, very interesting way, and he's very happy doing it. Ben was looking at him with great attention. Intently means with great attention. Ben watched intently. Then he said, "Say, Tom, let me whitewash a little." Tom considered, was about to consent, but he changed his mind. "No, no, I had rather not, Ben. You see, Aunt Polly's awfully particular about this fence. It's got to be done very carefully. There ain't one boy in 1,000, maybe 2,000, that can do it the way it's got to be done." Now see his intelligence. When Ben said that, "Now so I also want to do it. You are saying it is very interesting. Give it to me also, Tom." Considered it. Tom ने सुना. He was about to give his consent. वह हाँ करने वाला था. But he said, "No, no. Aunt Polly is awfully particular about this fence." Awfully means we say ना बहुत बुरी तरह से ज़रूरी काम है. Like ये तो अच्छे से होना ही चाहिए. She was awfully particular. And he said, "You cannot do it like this. It should be done perfectly. One boy in 2,000 boys can do it." Like we say ना, हजारों में एक होता है कोई जो पेंट कर सकता है फेंस को perfectly. So this was his meaning, that 1,000, one boy in 1,000 or one boy in 2,000 boys can paint it perfectly. "Oh, I'll just be careful. Now let me try. Say, I'll give you the core of my apple." Now Ben Rogers wanted to do it badly. He said, I will eat my whole apple, the core, inside, bacha hua part I will give you. Let me do it, I will do it carefully. Lemmy means let me. "Well, here, no, Ben. Now don't. I am afraid." He said, "No, I will not give you." "I will give you all of it. All of it." "What all?" "Full apple. I will give you my whole apple. Let me do it." Tom gave up the brush with reluctance in his face, but alacrity in his heart. And while Ben worked and sweated in the sun, the retired artist sat on a barrel in the shade close by, dangled his legs, munched his apple. Now Tom gave up the brush. He gave the brush to Ben when Ben was ready to share his whole apple with Tom. With reluctance in his face, but alacrity in his heart. Alacrity means he was very eager to give. अंदर से तो मन था कि फटाफट मैं दे दूं. But reluctance on the face means face पे he was showing कि he is not willing to give. लेकिन अंदर से he was very willing. देना चाहता था brush. So Ben started painting the fence. And this retired artist, who is the retired artist here? Tom. He sat on a barrel, लकड़ी का एक कंटेनर काइंड ऑफ, उस पर बैठा. He dangled his legs, अपनी legs को he crossed his legs and munched his apple, और उसका apple खाने लगा. Munching is eating. All the boys who came to jeer requested Tom to let them whitewash. After Ben, Tom had traded the next chance to Billy Fisher for a kite. Now see, now boys keep on coming, and this Tom Sawyer, he was very intelligent. Now he will take things from the boys, and in return he will let them paint the fence. Now as the boys were coming to that place, and they were requesting Tom that let us also whitewash. So who came? Billy Fisher came for a kite. So Tom took kite from Billy Fisher. Johnny Miller was bought in for a dead rat and a string to swing it with, and so on, hour after hour. Means now after Billy Fisher, Johnny Miller came, and what he brought as a gift, he brought a dead rat with a string attached. Means धागे से लटका हुआ मरा हुआ चूहा लाया, and Tom accepted it and let him paint the fence. And hour after hour, boys kept on coming, giving the gifts to Tom and painting his fence. And when afternoon came, from being a poor, poverty-stricken boy in the morning, Tom was rolling in wealth. Now see how beautifully writer has written it. Like in the morning he was a poor boy, but now he was rolling in wealth. अब तो उसके पास धन ही धन था. Like not money, but whatever things he liked as a child. Tom was rolling in wealth. He had, besides the things mentioned before, 12 marbles, a harp, marble. Now what things he was having as in total? He was having 12 marbles, kanche. A harp. Harp is a musical instrument. A piece of blue bottle glass to look through. ब्लू कांच की बॉटल का टूटा हुआ टुकड़ा जिसके आर पार देखा जा सकता हो. अ की दैट वुडंट अनलॉक एनीथिंग. एक ऐसी चाबी जिससे कोई ताला नहीं खुलने वाला था. अ फ्रेगमेंट ऑफ चॉक. चॉक का टुकड़ा. अ ग्लास टॉपर ऑफ अ डिकैंटर. Decanter is a bottle. Bottle का stopper, glass stopper. A tin soldier. A couple of tadpoles. Tadpoles? Frog babies, little frogs. 6 firecrackers, patakhe. A kitten with one eye. A brass doorknob. Brass is a metal. Doorknob, दरवाजे को खोलने वाला knob. A dog collar. The handle of a knife and 4 pieces of orange peel. So all these things he was having in his pocket in the end. He had a nice good idle time all the while, plenty of company, and the fence had 3 coats of whitewash on it. In the end, see how intelligent he was. In the end, now he just enjoyed his good time. So many boys were around him, and they were painting the fence for him, and at last the fence was having 3 coats of whitewash. If he hadn't run out of whitewash, means agar whitewash khatam na ho gaya hota, he would have bankrupted every boy in the village. वह गांव के हर लड़के को लूट चुका होता. Tom had discovered a great law of human action, that in order to make a person covet a thing, it is only necessary to make the thing difficult to get. This is true also. What Tom discovered is true for everybody. Like covet means if you want to make the thing difficult. If you want to make the thing interesting for somebody, like wanting too much of it. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि एक व्यक्ति किसी चीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करे, आप उसी चीज़ को पाना मुश्किल बना दें. Right? So the person will like it automatically. The boy mused a while over the substantial change which had taken place in his worldly circumstances, and then went in to inform Aunt Polly that the task was done. The boy mused means at last he was standing and he thought carefully. उसने ध्यान से सोचा. What change have come? कितना बड़ा बदलाव आया है. Substantial change. बहुत बड़ा बदलाव आया. Which had taken place in his worldly circumstances means सांसारिक situation में. Earlier what was his situation? He was a poor boy. right? He was not having any toys and had to paint the fence alone. But in the end, what happened? He thought very carefully that what changes he had brought in one day. And then he went inside and told Aunt Polly that the task was done beautifully. It was completely done. So this American spellings in the passage have been retained, like lemmy, gimme. This is the American accent which had not been changed in the passage. It had been retained. Retained means they have not changed it. वैसे का वैसा रखा है, as Mark Twain has written it, and as the American accent is. So dear students, this is the explanation of your chapter. Thank you.